Often we get asked about how our vSOC interacts with our customers on a daily basis. What we really try to do is perform all those interactions via our XTP platform. Our vSOC is full of experts when it comes to threat hunting, incident response, vulnerability management, compliance management, and our customers don't have that expertise. That's what we're here to augment for them. We do everything via the platform. So when we're doing analysis, when we're triaging alerts and investigations, we'll do everything we possibly can on our side. When we do need assistance from a customer, we will send out either an inquiry or a task to our customers where they'll get notified via SMS or email. It'll have a link to bring them directly to the inquiry or the task within our platform. And then the inquiry and the task itself has step-by-step instructions for exactly what we need that customer to do. So we don't make any assumptions. We don't keep things vague and say, go disable this user account. We'll actually give them step-by-step instructions on how to do that task, and we'll validate that it was done. Once it's done, we get a notification in the vSOC that it was complete, and we go about our investigation or whatever other efforts we might be working on.